Who's ready for a delicious and healthy cake? No refined sugar, no maida, just pure goodness with jaggery and whole wheat. Let's make this soft and flavorful jaggery cake. In a mixing bowl, add half cup yogurt or curd. Pour 1/4 cup oil. Mix well until smooth. Jaggery has been used for over 3000 years as a natural sweetener in Indian and Ayurvedic recipes. Now add half cup melted jaggery. Mix again until everything is well combined. Use melted jaggery. To avoid lumps in the batter, always melt and strain jaggery before adding it. Sift together. 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Jaggery is the great alternative to refined sugar and gives cakes a rich caramel-like flavor. Mix gently using the cut and fold method. Pour in half cup milk and mix well for a smooth batter. Whole wheat flour makes this cake fiber-rich, making it a guilt-free treat. In many cultures, jaggery-based sweets are made in winter because it keeps the body warm. Jaggery or gur not only adds natural sweetness, but it also rich in iron and helps in digestion. Don't overmix. Overmixing the batter can make your cake dense instead of soft and fluffy. Baking the cake. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil. Place a baking paper for easy release. Pour the batter and tap to remove air bubbles. Sprinkle chopped dates and sesame seeds on top. Dates add extra sweetness and sesame seeds bring a nutty crunch, making the cake even more delicious. Want a extra crunch? Add almonds, walnuts and flaxseed for extra nutrition. Take a pan, place a wire stand inside. Preheat on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Now place the cake mold inside and cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium heat. No oven? No problem. This cake can be perfectly baked on stovetop. Now see, our cake is ready. Let it cool before unmolding and slicing. Always preheat your pan for 5 to 7 minutes for even baking. Look at the texture, soft, moist and absolutely healthy. No oven, no worries. This cake is proof that you can bake anywhere. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the bell icon for more. Would you try this jaggery cake? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy treats.